Welcome to Peanuts in the Plant Forward Kitchen. I'm Ashton Pelham. Today we're diving into performance nutrition, specifically how peanuts help fuel athletes at every level. I'm thrilled to be joined by Chef Toni, who is going to share some tips for athletes to stay fueled, focused, and ready to compete. Athletes push their bodies to the limit, so what they eat matters. I think you're going to share a recipe that can help with post-game or post-workout recovery. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. I'm making a protein peanut butter smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for recovery. Peanut butter aids athlete recovery by providing a combination of protein, good fats, and other essential nutrients that help repair muscle damage, replenish energy stores, and reduce inflammation. Specifically, the protein content supports muscle repair and growth, while the good fats sustain energy and contribute to reducing inflammation and muscle soreness.
Wow, Chef Toni, that was really informative. Can you tell me what else is in the smoothie other than peanut butter?
We have some peanut protein powder that we're gonna mix with some cocoa powder, and we're mixing it in a bowl because what'll happen is if we don't, sometimes it'll tend to clump around the sides of the blender.
Okay.
And then we also have some frozen bananas.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put those in here first. And then we have peanut butter.
Now, does it matter how much peanut butter? Is it to your liking?
It's kind of to your liking.
Okay.
But like if you go too heavy, it'll tend to get really thick, but you can always add more oat milk if you need. We're gonna add in some vanilla extract. We're gonna pour our peanut powder and cocoa mixture on top.
Wow.
The last thing is we have some ice and we have some oat milk.
And this is so easy, it's so fast to make.
This is like you wake up late and you have to hurry.
Which I so often do.
Start it on low, make sure your button's on low, and then slowly increase it.
Okay.
All right. And then it nice is made. All right, and then we're gonna add the ice.
Oh, wow.
All right. And that's it.
And that's it?
That's it.
That was super fast. Now, with all the training and the on-the-go lifestyle, this looks like a quick and easy way for athletes to get the fuel they need on the go.
Yes, peanuts and peanut butter are an automatic go-to because it's shelf stable and helps you sustain your energy without crashing.
Okay, well, let's give this delicious shake a try. All right, and cheers.
Cheers.
Yes. Delicious. This is amazing. Quick, easy, and on the go, full of protein and all the nutrients, huh?
Absolutely.
Wow, well, thank you, Chef Toni, for joining us today. Clearly, peanuts are a powerful player in any athlete's meal plan and a secret weapon for chefs who want to keep their teams energized and ready to win. Thanks for watching Peanuts in the Plant Forward Kitchen. I'm Ashton Pelham. See you next time. And Chef, before you go, I'm definitely gonna need this recipe.